Field Notes, one of the best pocket notebooks with a simple design made for creatives. Use them to take notes, draw a quick sketch, or record your day. This is a quick first impressions video sharing the Field Notes Spring Edition Flora, in case you're curious what this pack looks like and are interested in picking one up for yourself. If you love bold and colorful designs, then this one is definitely for you. Normally, most Field Note designs are more subtle, but this one stands out for sure. A nice addition to the collection. There is, however, one thing I'm not too fond of for this edition, and that's the paper stock. Usually most Field Notes have a soft or matte finish to the paper, like this one. But the Flora edition has a glossy finish and feels a bit more plastic-like. I'm sure they made this choice due to wanting to print accurate and vibrant colors, which is more easily achieved with a glossier paper, so something to consider if the touch and feel of your Field Notes notebooks matter to you. Other than that, each pack comes with all three paper options, blank, lined, and dot grid. What are your thoughts on this Field Notes edition? Will you be getting yourself a pack? Let me know in the comments below.